In the realm of money management, understanding the intricate dance between psychology and finances is paramount. Let's delve into the psychological underpinnings of financial decision-making in the United States, where financial literacy is both valued and lacking. Our financial choices, from budgeting to investing, are often swayed by subconscious biases, emotions, and societal pressures. Join us as we uncover the driving forces behind these financial behaviors and shed light on the complexities of money management. The psychology of money management delves into how psychological factors shape individuals' financial attitudes and decision-making processes. By understanding these aspects, we gain insights into improving financial decision-making skills and making informed choices. Childhood experiences wield a profound influence on our relationship with money. Keywords like financial upbringing and parental influence on money habits underscore the lasting impact of early lessons on financial behaviors. Emotions often steer our financial decisions more than rationality. Terms like emotional spending and retail therapy reveal how emotions can drive impulsive purchases and financial stress. Fear and greed are potent emotional drivers that sway investment choices. Behavioral economics uncovers the biases that underlie financial decision-making. Concepts like loss aversion and mental accounting shed light on why individuals make suboptimal choices. Overcoming these biases through effective strategies is crucial for sound financial management. Societal and cultural influences shape our money attitudes. In the US, consumerism and social pressures drive financial behaviors. Phrases like keeping up with the Joneses and status consumption underscore the impact of societal norms on financial decisions. Mastering the psychology of money is key to financial success in the US. By navigating childhood influences, managing emotions, and overcoming biases, individuals can chart a path to financial well-being. Understanding the psychology behind money is a journey towards financial resilience and success.